tuned into one of the greatest, the king of side hustles, my man Christopher Davis. Passive info, you know he got the latest. So grab your pen and pad, it's time to get educated.
What's going on, guys? What's going on? It's your boy Christopher. We're back here with Passive with Christopher on a new and another update on a platform that I brought to you guys probably about 2 weeks ago, a week ago. And we're going to do an update, ladies and gentlemen, and it's going to be on MAYOTRADE. All right, MAYOTRADEs. So just sit back, relax. You came here to get some information on MAYOTRADE because maybe somebody sent you here, or you clicked on the title, you saw the title, and you wanted to know more about it. So just sit back, relax, and I'm going to give you an update on how I'm doing in the platform. Give you some updates on how the platform is expanding itself, and then we're going to go from there, ladies and gentlemen. But before I get deep dive into anything and everything, of course, ladies and gentlemen, if you're new here to my channel, Passive with Christopher, we bring you videos and updates on passive and non-passive opportunities that I myself had ventured into. And this is my journey in the passive and the non-passive side of different opportunities. And this is basically what the channel is about. So once again, I'd like to thank you for coming to my channel for this information. And if you would like, just hit the like button on this video. It helps the channel out very much. So also, if you check my this video out that you see in front of you, my welcome video, if you give that a like, that'll be great as well. It's only 9 seconds of a watch, so if you can do that, that'll be great. Also, ladies and gentlemen, anytime during this video you hit the like button and you hit the subscribe button, you'll get up to date on any future videos that I put out for this channel. Alrighty, so now let's get into it. But first, before we get deep dive into everything, let's do the disclaimer, ladies and gentlemen, because of course I am not a financial advisor. This will not be financial advice. Don't count me as your financial advisor. You see, I'm just a father here on this channel, Passive with Christopher, who enjoys sharing my journey with others to show others how I live a passive income life through passive and also non-passive opportunities. Understand, everything you hear on this channel, Passive with Christopher, is for educational purposes only. You must do your own due diligence. You must do your own research for yourself, because in everything we do, there is risk. All right, now we got that out of the way. Let's get into the topic. All right, today's topic, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be on MAYOTRADE. Now, MAYOTRADE is something that is a medium risk. This is something new that we've started, ladies and gentlemen, within the last week or two. All right, and I'm just bringing you those updates as well. And we put our own stake in it. We wanted to put our own risk tolerance in it, what we were able to risk or wanted to risk, because remember, you only invest what you're willing to lose, ladies and gentlemen. So I did dabble in, and I wanted to do a review to see the process of the deposit, the process of the investment itself. Now I'm gonna go over some bullet points for you real quick before we get to those updates. Of course, you get anywhere between 1.4% to 2.3% daily. The minimum investment in this is pretty low, which is not bad at all. It is $50 to invest. There's different phases and different packages that you can invest in, and if you want to see that more in detail, please go back to the first video I did on MAYOTRADE. It'll walk you through every single package and the investment and the outcome of the investment for that package. So go ahead and look at that. You want to click off on this and you want to go and watch that overview video. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Now the payout is Monday through Friday. All right. Now, like I told you before, this is passive. You do not need to recruit anyone. You don't need to tell anyone about it unless you want to. All this is passive income in the crypto and forex space. So like I said before, the earnings is anywhere between 1.4% and 2.3% daily. And withdrawals are also daily, Monday through Friday. Of course, with most systems that do in the Forex market, they don't do anything on Saturday and Sunday, all right? Because your money is not working during that time. So you can withdraw it. They have an affiliate program. If you are a link sharer and you like sharing opportunities with other people, you get a 10%. You can earn 10% instantly on any withdrawal that someone you told about this invest in the platform. All right. You also have multiple ways of crypto to deposit. Now, your deposits will be in crypto, not fiat. Okay. So if you have Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, or Ethereum, or anything like that, you can actually mix and match the upload to this system. Like a lot of systems, you only can do if it's the Bitcoin deposit, it's only Bitcoin. If it's only Ethereum deposit, it's only Ethereum. But you can actually deposit more than one crypto and combine them to buy a package, which is pretty cool. There is no service fee, of course, no service fee. And also, if you click the link in the description, it's free to join. So that's pretty cool, right? So yeah, so you can check all the packages out, see which package you want to invest in. You can see the amount and the date of the packages, as far as what day, how many days does the packages go for. And it goes to around about 4.5 months. All right, so you're being invested. Your investment will be working for about 4.5 months. But of course, you can't always withdraw your profits at any time. You can either withdraw them or put them back and compound them as well. All right, so that's a little bit about MAYOTRADE and what it offers. Okay, but like I was telling you guys before, you're going to look into my back office, and we're going to take a quick look. I might have to log back in because they do have security on this. So if it's been idle for a little while, it will log you out and you would have to log back in. But yeah, I did a good enough time. All right, so I invested, which I'm going to invest a little more, but yes, this is my back office, of course. All right, you can see my name here, Christopher Davis, trader. All right, it does have a binary, which is if you're an affiliate, there's a left and a right binary to build. That's only if you want to. They have marketing tools as well, and the package is purchased. All right, so the company capital so far has went up. It's $101 million. All right, $101 million. That's the total capital of the company. The previous day trade, so today is Tuesday, so today is Thursday. Sorry about that. Today is Thursday. So Wednesday's trade profits were $9,152,287. So this is the profit that they made, right? And for the yesterday, right? The investors' profits paid, what they paid out was $1,901,207. Right? That is the total profit payout for yesterday. Right? And the total investor profit paid out to date is over $12 million. So yes, this platform is paying out. I know a few of my investors who have grabbed their ORI out their wallet, and they didn't reinvest. They just took that profit out. And then I had some people that reinvested. All right. So what that means is, whenever you get $50 or wherever, because the minimum, of course, to invest is $50. So if you get a minimum on $50, you just get a new package, right? And you'll get in that anywhere between that 1.4 to that 2.3% daily. Just depends on the package you purchase. All right. So of course, if you got the $50 package, you're going to make about 1.4% daily. All right. And the higher your package, the higher the percent you will make. So I will definitely, as far as what I see, I will definitely be adding a little bit more to this account just to see it grow. And like I said, you only invest what you're willing to lose. All right. So I'm not going to put my house note in it. I'm not going to put my car payment or part of my car payment in it, because I think I can pull out even bigger amount next week or 2 weeks from now or anything like that. I'm looking at this as a long haul, and I'm going to slowly be putting money back into this program for the near future. So what I'm seeing is, all right, I started with $100. All right, I see those the week I've been in, I've made almost $10. So because I just been in about a week. All right, well, I just invested about a week ago. So we're looking at about a 10% per week profit. All right, so if you think today's Thursday, it's not even Friday yet. So if tomorrow it's going to be over $10, right? So we're looking at a 10% profit in a week. So to me, that's pretty decent. All right. So I don't know about you guys, but 10% and 10% a week is pretty decent returns on $100. You make $10 on $100 in a week. That's good. You didn't do anything. Your money did all the work for you. All right. So if you look at it that way, okay, and then I'll double it. Say I go $1,000, right? $1,000. So that's $100 a week that I can possibly make, because we don't know what the future. We can't guarantee any of the profits for the future. We can't guarantee. We can only go on what's previously has been done, right? So of course, I said I'm going to invest a little more. So say I invested $1,000. Sorry. So I'm looking at anywhere between $100 a week back, right? $100 a week, $400 a month. We looking at about, on $1,000 on any percentage at 1.4%. You're looking at about 2.5 months to reach your investment back. Right, 2.5 months to reach your investment back. And I hate when these people get on here and they don't tell you about when will you expect to receive your investment, at least your investment back, right? So the return on investment here is $10, right? So if it's $10 a week, right, we're looking at 10 weeks, right? 10 weeks for me to recoup that $100. If I just let it roll and I don't add anything else to it, we're looking like 10 weeks to recoup that cost. So that's 2 months and 2 weeks, all right, that I'll be able to recoup that money. And it doesn't matter with any amount. It's the same. If you're having that 1.4%, say on $1,000, you're looking at the same amount of time if you put in $1,000 versus if you put in $100. The same amount of time to recoup your investment is 2 months and 2 weeks. All right. So don't get caught up in how much you put in, and it always is the same. It doesn't matter how small or how big a deposit you put in, unless it goes to the next package, which is a higher package. All right. But if you stay in the realm package of 1.4%, you're looking at a 2 month, 2 weeks return on any amount of money that you put into this account. All right. So I just want to give you guys that update. Like I said, I haven't really told a lot of people about this. It's only been on my YouTube channel. Guys, if you're interested in dabbling or getting involved with MAYOTRADE, you can go ahead and click the link in the description, ladies and gentlemen, and you can get started. Well, like I said, with any package, with a minimum of $50. And like I said before, your RRI return on that is looking at about 2 months and 2 weeks. So I'd like to let you guys know if it's something that you want to join my journey with me, if it's something you want to do, all right? And it's entirely up to you. Remember, only invest what you're willing to lose, ladies and gentlemen, because this is the Forex and crypto market. And ladies and gentlemen, it's a possibility, you know, that we can lose all our funds, right? So, and it's a possibility that we won't lose all our funds. But if you put in only what you're willing to take to a casino, only what you're willing to lose, then it doesn't hurt the pocket that bad. So please only invest what you're willing to lose. But so far for me, this program has been doing pretty well. I'll keep you up to date on everything, ladies and gentlemen, and for the next couple of weeks, and let you know when I make a withdrawal. This account, like I said, they've been growing steadily. They're new to the era, to the whole genre, and they've been doing pretty well. They're not new as far as their investment, and far as them investing. It's just new to my platform, all right? Passive with Christopher, and it's new for us, all right? So you do your due diligence, you know what I mean? You do your research, and then whoever invited you to take a look at this, go back to them and get started with them. And like I said, if this is first time to my channel and nobody invited you here, and you want to get started, just go ahead and click that link in the description and you can get started, guys. And then also you can get hooked up in my Telegram group. I give all things in my Telegram group. I give all updates and everything in the Telegram group as well. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a fun project that we have here, Passive with Christopher. And remember, you have to put on your Google Authenticator before you're even able to start investing or deposit, ladies and gentlemen. They don't play with security. The system will tell you right away you need to put on your Google 2FA authenticator to protect your account, because I don't want to see anybody get hacked either. So please make sure you put on that Google authenticator 2FA, because they're going to make you do it before any updates anyway. So once again, this is Christopher with Passive with Christopher. Ladies and gentlemen, we sponsored by the Prosperity Dominance Group. I want to thank you for coming to my channel. Hit the like button if you really like this video, ladies and gentlemen. And if you really like it and you want somebody else to see it, go ahead and hit that share button, ladies and gentlemen, because it helps the channel out very much so. And guys, I'll see you on the next video. Stay safe, and I'll talk to you later.